Parang sundan na pangkarira.
Putang ina, utot na yan. Guys. Guys.
May ano?
Guys.
Binawisan tuloy ako dun sa... Binawisan tuloy ako dun. Maui pakpak yun na yun.
Tintig na pasabog ni.
Ano yun eh?
Wala pa sa... di naman natin masasabi kung New Year na, oh.
Binadali ang bagong taon. Para makamukha.
Muntik na akong maano eh, ma-piso dos. Kala ko yung inapakan kong ano eh, nabaklas eh. Utot pala yun.
Ayaw ko sirain ng movie ni ano kasi ni Maui Pacquiao eh.
Eh, alam mo naman yung pag humarap, Manny Pacquiao. Pag tumalikod, Mami Junecia. Pag nag-side view, Howie Taylor. Bukas pa kayo yung paluda?
Kasi lutas ko lang yung kapatid ko kasi
Loadan mo sa Pilipinas? May nag-message.
oh,
Alam siguro nasa labas ka pa.
hindi, tinignan mo kasi kung hindi pa niya, hindi nag-message kanina, hindi ko ano. Salamin ko.
Time check. Mag-alas 2 na.
Tapos na ba?
Siguro. Yan. Papaload ang
What
akin.
is your respect, brother? How are you?
Fine.
Yes?
I also want, I need credit.
Okay.
You want to...
No, please, you can make it.
We are part?
You can make it, yeah.
No, it's okay, no problem.
No, I
You
don't.
hurry?
Even
Because
I
I want
just,
to
I
put
just,
the load.
I just see you are coming here. My boy is sick at hospital. I want even 5 dirham balance to call at home, Ghana. That's why I just follow you. Yes, please.
Yun na.
Look ka naman ako.
Titingnan ko yung ano ng kapatid ko. Nag-aabang pala siya.
So, guys. Tingnan natin.
Hindi ko sure ba kung ito yung number niya, pero lugar ko lang. Hindi ko napansin, meron pa ng nag-aabang sa akin.
Ayan. Guys, naglo-load muna kami dito sa isang machine na para paloadan yung relatives sa Pilipinas. Anong smart?
So, automatic na yun.
Pasok mo lang ang number niya. Dito kami sa paludan, guys. Madaling araw na dito eh.
Hihingin pa brad yung ilulod natin.
Meron isang ditong ibang lahi. Nangihingi pa. Ade bigyan na lang.
Yung bakit niya iniluwa? Bang ano siya, busog na ata brad ha. Ayaw niyang kainin.
Ayun. 20?
25, 300.
Ah.
Hindi siguro ito. Ano natin. Okay, next. Okay na na eh.
Ha?
Hindi ka na.
Brother, I don't have anything. Can I get 55 dirham? 55 dirham.
Ha?
5 dirham to call home, please.
So
5 dirham?
what you want, brother?
I'm making data, but I have some data.
So you don't have data.
Yes, please.
You want 5 dirham balance?
Yes, please. So anything you help me, I can just.
So
I'm a Ghana. I'm a Ghanaian.
where
No
you from?
problem, my friend.
I'm
Yeah.
from Ghana, but I'm working.
Ghana?
Yes, please.
This is you put to your this.
Thank you, brother. God
Okay.
bless you.
What is
Thank
your
you.
name?
My name is Manford.
Manfort.
Yes, please.
Why no
Okay.
work?
I'm working,
You
but
do
for 3
load?
months I've no have salary.
Okay. You make load.
Kagaya natin na nalasing to brand eh.
Yeah.
So okay lang, walang problem.
Walang
But
problema.
it's okay. You remember your
You
number,
can
my
check first.
friend? Maybe
Brother,
you got a
0
wrong number. Yeah, okay. Because you're wasting your money if you
Brother.
press that
That is
wrong
fine, your number?
Yeah, that's
Huh?
my number.
Okay. So make it sure you're oh
No,
look.
no,
Oh,
falling
it's
down.
okay. My son is hospital now.
Now?
Yes. For
In
operation,
your
but-
country?
Yes, Ghana.
Sorry,
He has
eh?
hernia, so
But we are same, you know. We are suffering in Dubai. With,
brother,
yeah.
it's the same. I understand.
No problem.
Yeah.
Pare,
But,
in your next part.
Just next.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
And
where
then
you put
insert
it.
your money. Hindi pala niya pera. Bigay pala natin eh.
Mm.
Too much. You are laughing.
Oh, so,
No, it's okay, man.
okay?
Okay.
Okay, pare?
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, thank
Oh,
you
what is
very
your
much.
name again?
Manford.
Manford. From?
Yes, yes. Ghana.
Ghana. We are from Philippines.
I know. That's why I
Okay.
came to you.
Okay, brother. Thank you.
I will never go to anyone
You know
without
Manny
getting
Pacquiao, huh?
Okay.
Hmm?
Manny Pacquiao, you know? The boxer.
Boxer Manny Pacquiao, you know? In the Philippines.
You don't know. It's okay.
Okay. No problem.
Thank you, okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I get. Thank
Okay.
you.
No problem, brother. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa yung itim na itim siyempre negro yan eh. Yan, may nanghingi ng pang-load down niya. Eh hindi naman natin alam, tanungin pa natin kung anong background niya dito eh, siyempre nanghingi na lang eh. Sinabi niya na may sakit daw yung anak niya sa bansa nila eh. Ha? Ghana daw eh, Ghana.
Kasi mahirap na pag sabihin Pilipinas, itim yun.
So, yan guys. Yan ang buhay dito. Time check, 2:00 na. Brad, ayan. Wala kami yung kabady-bady to. Yan o.
Madaling araw na Brad, gumagala pa tayo.
Kaya,
Naghahanap na ng wala namang hinahanap.
kaya ayan, huwag niyong kalimutan i-subscribe dahil marami tayong video yung i-upload dyan. Huwag kayong mag-alala, marami kayong mapapanood. Kaya subscribe niyo yan. Kaya, sige. Dito na lang kasi medyo
Sige mga ka-vlogger ka.
maglalakad na rin kami. May lalakarin, baka magsawa kayong kakapanood sa amin. Mamaya asan na ba tong dalawa na to? Hey guys, dito na lang. Subscribe na lang sa aming channel. Sige.
No?
Ha?
Para man yung